The 2027 KTM FREERIDE E continues to embody KTM's long-standing vision of freedom in motorcycling through electric innovation. For over a decade, the FREERIDE E lineup has stood out as a quiet, low-emission, and low-maintenance off-road motorcycle designed to expand where and how riders can enjoy their machines. This latest version strengthens that philosophy by combining practicality with an engaging riding experience. It delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a top speed of 95 km/h, all powered by a durable lithium-ion battery system that supports 2 to 3 hours of typical enduro-style riding. The 2027 model introduces several refinements that improve both performance and usability. Peak power has increased to 19.2 kilowatts, supported by 37 Nm of torque from a waterproof and dustproof electric motor. Riders can tailor their experience using 3 ride modes and 3 energy recuperation settings, which help optimize range and efficiency. The bike also features advanced electronics, including traction control, a rollover safety sensor, and clear LED indicators that communicate key information effectively. Weight reduction plays a key role in enhancing agility, with the new model weighing just 112 kilograms. The bike retains its precision-engineered chrome-molybdenum steel frame, paired with a lightweight subframe made from aluminum and reinforced nylon. The seat height has been slightly increased to 910 mm, contributing to improved ergonomics for off-road riding. Battery technology also sees a modest but meaningful upgrade. The 5.5 kWh swappable battery offers improved capacity and longevity, capable of exceeding 1,000 charging cycles before dropping to 80% efficiency. Charging flexibility is another advantage, with options ranging from 8 hours using a standard charger to just 1.5 hours with a fast charger. Built on extensive research, development, and KTM's deep off-road heritage, the 2027 FREERIDE E reflects a balance of modern electric technology and proven motorcycle engineering. Updated styling and a refreshed color scheme reinforce its identity as both a contemporary machine and a glimpse into the future of off-road riding. Overall, the 2027 KTM FREERIDE E stands out as a versatile, efficient, and fun electric motorcycle that delivers strong performance while maintaining ease of use and environmental consciousness. It will be available through authorized dealers starting April 2026.